Our next 18th edition prize draw will be on Monday, the 30th of April. So if you're not already registered to learninglounge.com/channel 18, do it now. As well as being the best place to get the latest news about the 18th edition, you'll have the chance to win some great prizes every month, concluding with our grand prize draw at the end of July. April's prizes currently include a Learning Lounge 18th edition full course with exam at your nearest participating centre, complete with your own copy of the 18th edition book once it's published. A powerful Hitachi 18-volt combi drill. A premium alarm safety pack from Kidder. A high-quality screwdriver from Hager. And a pair of magnetised test probes from Chauvin Arnoux. 4 boxes of Marshall Toughlex Firefly clips for plastic trunking and mini trunking. And a Martindale domestic installer lockout kit. We have a prize draw every month until July, and in the grand final draw we're creating a pile of goodies. We've already added a fantastic thermal camera from Chauvin Arnoux, and now Hitachi have boosted their offer to a brilliant twin pack, which includes not only a combi drill, but also an impact driver. More prizes to come, all great things that will boost your productivity. Spread the word of Channel 18. All there is to know about the 18th edition, and everyone registered will be in the monthly draw.